Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. Happy Thursday to us all. How has been our day? You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Before you act, there is an Irish proverb which says, thoughtfulness opens the door to wisdom. Thoughtfulness opens the door to wisdom. It is important that you act quickly when there is something that must be done. Yeah, sure. However, more important is the fact that you must engage your mind in a profitable thought process before you embark on any action. Hello, friends. Always think before you act. Always think before you act. Actions is what makes things happen. Thinking is what makes those actions appropriate and effective. A single thoughtful step, when taken, is more rewarding than 1,000 mindless steps taken in a hurry. I recapitulate. A single thoughtful step, when taken, is more rewarding than 1,000 mindless steps taken in a hurry. Don't be too anxious to make a move that you will fail to consider the direction you want to take. The journey is a lot easier when the path is clearer. Take a moment to put the power of thought and intention behind every of your actions. You will achieve better results with this approach, and you will reduce the incidence of regret thereafter. The Capital's rule says, measure twice before you cut once. Think before you act. Especially to every member of the Kringle community, and especially to the so-called naysayers, the trolls among us. Think twice before you act. Every act of indiscipline in quote, every act of negativity within the community is no longer accepted or no longer tolerated. So don't ever be in a hurry to say anything. Think first. Many of the problems of our world today are because of too many things said in a haste. A thoughtful response is always better than a thoughtless reaction. Give your life the power of purpose. Always think before you act. Guys, as we are approaching and we are getting into the end of our description and approaching our mass adoption, approaching our full economic phase, let us act right. Let us think right before taking any step, before altering out any word, especially those who are engaged in the activity of saying derogatory words to the admin of the TBC or to the TBC community or to the mission of TBC itself. Before you act, think twice. Think twice. Think twice. And don't forget that thoughtfulness opens the door to wisdom. I wish us all the best. Long live TBC admin, long live TBC community, and long live all TBCians around the world. Thank you. I want you to like this broadcast, share, and don't forget, subscribe. Thank you all. Bye for now.